The drawing editor provides an environment for the creation of multi-sheet PCB fabrication and assembly drawings. Drawings may be created using customized templates, allowing common details to be added automatically that adhere to company and industry standards. PCBs or panels may be placed on sheets, notes added, drill drawings completed, and title blocks updated using a menu-driven automated interface. Geometric dimensioning and tolerancing provides for precise definition of the fabrication specifications. Detailed views also provide the option to create close-up views of the PCB and panel design data. When creating new drawings, customized templates can be used to have company-specific details of the drawings pre-populated, which reduces the time spent adding the tedious details of technical documentation. PCBs and panels can be placed onto drawing sheets either interactively or by using the automated drawing setup dialog, which can be used to specify what sheets are to be created, including the placement details of any PCB or panel that should be placed, and what layers should also be displayed on those instances. Several other parameters such as the location, scale, rotation, and display scheme to be used can all be defined through the drawing setup dialog and will be automatically assigned during the drawing creation. The placed PCBs and panels retain the link to the original source data, such that changes made in the original design data will be automatically reflected in the drawing. Each drawing sheet and its content can be displayed by selecting the appropriate name from within the navigator pane. Drawing automation supports the automatic creation of consistent drawing objects, including the placement of standard notes, drill drawings, and automatic updates to all title blocks in a drawing, all with a single push of a button. Values may be assigned to system-defined properties such as date, time, drawing, and sheet name. User-defined properties are also supported and may be embedded in your drawing template title and revision blocks to generate consistent drawings that adhere to your company and industry standards. I'll now quickly review the drawing items that were just generated, including the notes on the assembly drawing and the title block on the fabrication drawing that includes both system and user-defined property values, and finally the drill chart for the different hole sizes and via spans. Dimension parameters such as default values for units, accuracy and tolerances can all be saved into a scheme and reused later, such that when drawings are created they again have a consistent appearance and adherence to any company standards. Geometrical dimensioning and tolerancing, or GD&T, is also supported. When using stack dimensions, simply clicking on the desired design object snaps to the dimension start or endpoint to that object, and then automatically places the dimension values at the defined spacing, text size and orientation. You can see how quick and easy it is to dimension the main features on this board. Leaders may be used to show hole diameters, with leading and trailing notes providing the flexibility to fully document the design for fabrication. In addition, a full suite of leader enclosure geometries provide an easy reference back to assembly notes, BOM items, or other required references. For cases where multiple sheets in a drawing may be similar, sheets may be copied in their entirety and then modified to the specific requirements. Sheet names can also be changed at this stage, or any other time during drawing creation. In cases where multiple variants may be documented in the same drawing, the ability to designate which variant is documented on a given sheet is also available. This will display the designated assembly outlines and reference designators as defined by the user, and then the appropriate variant tables may be automatically generated. Detailed views are easily created for close-up views or sections of the PCB or panel. The detailed views also retain the link to the original source data, again, such that any changes made in the PCB or panel will automatically be reflected in the detailed view. A display scheme can also be applied to the detailed view. Simply draw the selected shape for the detailed view. Then drag and drop the outline that was created to the desired location. Several options are available to customize the detailed view, including assigning a unique name, font style and size, border width and scale. You've now seen how the drawing editor automates the drawing creation process for assembly and fabrication drawings.